listening to Winston today talk about hunting, about survival. And he talked about the moose, the elk, the deer, and how important the proteins are within our natural animal. And it reflected me and reminded me of some of the teachings that I had received. In the animal and all wildlife, even the birds, the fish, there is a certain spot of that animal. And when Winston fed his grandchildren a roast taken from, he kind of patted his hip. It reminded me of ceremony. In ceremony, they dry that tender meat, the tender sirloin. The top sirloin is the softest spot, and it's the sacredest spot in ceremony that they use in what's happening, whether it be a feast, whether it be a pipe ceremony, whether it be a Sundance. They would use that special part of that animal. And I do believe this film is a representation that in our community here in Medicine Hat, I do believe within the moose, within the elk, that this area, it must be the soil, it must be something, but I know it's the human spirit that's here. So I just like to acknowledge Medicine Hat for being that tender sirloin, and I wish you continue and hope, and I know in my heart that you'll definitely be able to feed the rest of Alberta, the rest of Canada, and even in the United States. I hope that we can influence this whole process of truth and reconciliation.